Easy want to be a farmer. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, pace here, pace. And put at that slowly, be careful, it's sharp, baby. Oh, like this. Like Andres Bonifacio, atapang tao. Oh, very tapang tao. Oh, yeah, boy. Oh, yeah, good boy. Careful, boy. Oh, it's very big, boy. Okay. Siga, para walang lamok, boy. Slowly, The pig likes you. Yeah, there's a dog. There's another pig there. You show your knife to that dog. He will be afraid. Oh, slowly. Oh.
There's those dogs.
Yeah.
Doggies.
You
Be
see?
afraid now. Guys, to turn you to whatever.
Oh. He will barbecue you. So put that inside.
When I'm going to walk, I will put it inside.
Yeah, when you're walking, put inside. Okay, up to here only. Enough. Oh, up to here only. Come. Good.
Go away and stop walking.
Sunshine good. Oh, no, come. It's over. Come. Oh, itchy. Maybe mosquito bite. You killed that mosquito with your knife. You cannot. Oh, no, don't play. Put again. Put your. Yes, easy. No. No. Put your knife inside. No. We'll go now. Put.
Wait, I need to smell.
It's good. Okay, put the knife inside the cover. I'll give you one small, not this one. This is big. This is for G-Dad only. Come. Oh, you have too much bite now here. I need to put some big. Come. We'll go. I will give you one t-shirt there.
Okay.
In the car.
Kasi I'm wearing sando.
Sando only. Hop.
I need to try something in this pig since it's so kind. What the?
Stay there only. Huh? What? Yeah. There's a banana farm,
Can I
Oh.
slice?
No, don't slice. That is Gayobani. You raise your Bonifacio. Yeah. Your Bonifacio boy. Oh. Don't kill the ants. Don't kill it. You see? The place is beautiful. Yes, this is Bonifacio of Balintawak. Oh my gulay. So face to me. Say hi. Oh yeah, careful with our knife. It's very big. Okay, we'll go feed the pig now. Put that sword in your yeah. Don't walk when the sword is up out. Yes.
Bye village.
Okay, bye village. She likes buko, easy boy. She's very tired. Oh my gulay. Nahiwa pa yung paa. Oh my gulay. What this?
Oy.
Oh no. What happened to that? We'll put band-aid. Okay. Then we'll go. Too much mosquito here. Hindi mo kaya itong power dito. After you will be a good farmer. You want to be a farmer?
Mm-hmm.
Good. When you grow up, you want to be a farmer?
Yeah.
You said, I want to be a farmer.
I want to be a farmer.
By force, okay.